how to do it?
Back there?
No, it's already done.
Yeah. Just bait it. All you
You
do
just
is
have
bait
to
it.
put the bait. Do you know how to put the bait?
Only for cougars.
No sabe nada de...
No sabe nada de eso. No sale de South Central LA.
Y cuando habló dice que iba a querer pescar,
Yeah.
pero no dijo que
What is
quería
that, Rick?
pescar.
Power bait.
Maybe panocha.
Dominic, that's what I said. That's what I said. Didn't I just say I know how to catch cougar?
I want to catch a fish, I want to catch a panocha.
There you go.
Hay mucha diferencia la peste.
Me too. No necesitan ir tan lejos.
No, aquí no hay panocha, aquí el agua.
You got to bring your own. You got to bring your own.
Yeah, you bring your own.
Media seca.
We got some,
Okay, don't hook my back of my neck. Don't hook the back of my neck.
we got some beginners.
Hey, good cast.
Ah, sí.
Hasta le pongo el hilo y todo.
Sí.
No fish, no dinner. No pescado, no
No,
comida.
no